In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a degree symbol into your Canva project. It's a simple process that will save you a lot of time and make your designs look exactly how you want them to. Let's take a closer look at how you can do this efficiently. First, you want to start by opening up your Canva project. This is where the magic begins. Whether you're working on a new design or an existing project, this is your canvas where you'll add all sorts of elements to bring your creativity to life. Open your browser and log into Canva. Once you're in, navigate to the project you're working on. Having your project open and ready will make it easy to paste the symbol right where you need it. Next, we're going to head to a very useful website called degreesymbol.net. This is a handy tool because sometimes the degree symbol isn't readily accessible on your keyboard, and we want to keep things efficient. So, open a new tab in your web browser and type in degreesymbol.net. Once you're on the site, you'll see a degree symbol right there on the main page. It's prominently displayed to make it super easy for you to find. Clicking the copy button next to the symbol will ensure that it's saved to your clipboard so that you can use it as needed. Then, with the symbol copied, go back to your Canva project. Simply switching to the tab where your project is open will keep the process smooth and seamless. Now find the spot in your design where you'd like to insert the degree symbol. This could be a text box or anywhere else you need it. Click into the text editor and paste the degree symbol from your clipboard. Depending on your computer, this might be done with a right click and selecting paste, or by using shortcut keys like Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. The degree symbol will now appear in your text, complementing your design by providing that exact detail you needed. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully inserted a degree symbol into your Canva project, making the design precise and complete. This method is not only quick, but also very effective, ensuring that your projects are both professional and easy to create. Practice this a few times, and it'll become second nature whenever you need it in your designs. I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your Canva creations. Remember to come back to this video anytime you need a refresher on how to insert the degree symbol quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!